Chief Minister Y. Khemchand distributed financial benefits worth 91.67 crore rupees to 2,40,758 beneficiaries across 17 welfare schemes, while launching the integrated monthly pension processing system today. The financial benefits distribution cum integrated monthly pension processing system launching ceremony held at the City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal, was organized by the Social Welfare Department. The event was also attended by Deputy Chief Minister Lucy Diko, Home Minister Govindas Kontaujam, Arts and Culture Minister Kuraijam Lukain, several MLAs, Chief Secretary Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal and Social Welfare Department Commissioner Hawam Rosita. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand emphasized the severe hardships and suffering endured by all communities during the ongoing state crisis, which has now lasted for more than 3 years. Further expressing disappointment that the prolonged unrest has severely divided the state to the point where communities can no longer enter each other's areas, he appealed to all warring communities to stop blaming each other and strive for peaceful coexistence. Reflecting on the significance of the event, Khemchand explained that the financial benefits for the 17 welfare schemes had been pending for the past 2 years and released today following a crucial meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Chief Minister also urged the citizens to build a strong work culture, expressing optimism that it could drive the state back towards progress and development.
Prasasing Yawa Minagani having no ability public. Aduna Apaba, Sakapa, Levama, Welpa, Ivasi, Sunagi, Sati Lebaleva, Subunam Nomakan Maleva, Amawabani. Kang Masin Maraka, Mukataraga, Amana Amagi Patapaharaga, Amana Magisingana, Horaga, Manipur, Sakapayaway, Aduna Manipur, Leminariva, Toa, Kang Sinsi, Equi Puna, Manipuri, Hanakan, Kaminaraganda, Equi Tung Weba. Apabang Manipur masih